What's up guys, we're back with another video. Today we're here at Little Island for the Cars and Coffee here. You can see already a couple of nice cars here. So we're going to go inside and we're going to check it out. So that's fun.
It's on my mind, I guess it goes like na-na-na.
Got ready for the night and
Na-na-na-na-na.
she's headed for the lights.
Na-na-na-na-na.
She sees the vision going,
Na-na-na-na-na.
cupping line after line.
Na-na-na-na-na.
See how she looks in trouble, see how she dances and she sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference. That's what you're coming for. You don't wanna let you in. You drop your back to the floor, asking what's happening. It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. She sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference, yeah. That's what you're coming for. You don't wanna let you in. You drop your back to the floor, asking what's happening. It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments.